everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you some decorations I used for my 18th birthday party. So I decided to go with black and gold for the color theme, and these are just some curtains I used. This black one and this gold one are from Amazon, and then this black one here in the middle is from the thrift store, and I got it because it was cheap and it was only about $5, so it was a pretty good deal. And all of the links for my decorations are going to be in the description down below. I set up to hang out with my friends in the sunroom, and I used this folding table, and it was great because I found this table cover that covers the legs of the table, and it's from Goodwill, and it was only $3. These charger plates are from Amazon. And this table runner is also from Amazon. I placed these plates in the middle, and they're from Costco, and these are from the party store. Masquerade theme. We have some very fancy, nice masks to take pictures with, and I got them from Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description down below. Show you guys how cool these masks are, and I'll try it on. This is what it looks like. I found this pretty cool silverware at Target, and it's plastic and it's gold, so it goes perfectly with the theme. And it came with 60 total forks, spoons, and knives together. And then these napkins are also from Target, and I just folded it in half into triangles and then placed the silverware on top. Okay, the next thing are the centerpieces, and I got these jars from Goodwill, and I just painted them with gold acrylic paint to go with the theme. And these flowers are also from Goodwill, and I just folded the stem here so it can fit inside here. And there you go. It's very simple and easy. And then there you have it. A nice little decoration for the center. I got these feathers from Hobby Lobby, and they go really well with the theme and add some flair and candle holders at Hobby Lobby, and I already had these battery operated candles at home, so I just put them inside. I'm going to add some real candles. So these candlestick holders are from Goodwill, and these candlesticks are from Fred Meyer. So I usually get my balloons from Target since it's much cheaper than the party store.